Capturing enemy tanks was more feasible for the German army than manufacturing its own expensive and fragile A7Vs. In the later years of the First World War, more than 300 abandoned and damaged tanks were salvaged and transported behind German lines. Near the Belgian town of Charleroi, the Bavarian army had turned a former locomotive manufacturing plant into a large tank workshop. There, German engineers repaired and remodeled the captured tanks, overhauled the interiors, and equipped them with standard German communication devices, optical equipment, and converted the caliber of the guns. Given the Iron Cross and a new camouflage paint job, these tanks were transported back to the front. Germans called them Beutepanzer. By the end of September 1918, 35 of them were reported ready for action, with over 100 more in serviceable condition. By comparison, only 20 A7V tanks had been built.